All right, welcome back. And so, from where we stopped on the last, in the previous part, that is part one. On this part two, we'll be talking. Well, this is the concluding part. I want us to pay rapt attention on the few things we'll be discussing here, just to wrap it up. So, after you're done successfully uploading your student results for all classes as a school admin, the next thing you want to do is that you really have to do is you have to upload the comment. Okay, so you see it's that step 9 and 10 here. The comment, that is, we all know those that comment on the student results, the the principal, the class teacher, if you have house master. So I'll just annotate this so that we can see it. So you come still on your results configuration. You come to upload results comment. Okay. So yeah, that's where we are coming to. So you click on result comment the same way. So you have teacher, house master, guardian, counselor. Select the first you would want to um, treat. Let's say teacher, then you click on the class, let's click on GSS 3 this moment um, and then the section as well, then the term. Then next thing you want to do is you download the templates. Once you download, it's downloaded already. Click on open. Okay, and so here you have it. So let me clean our annotations so that it does not confuse us. All right, so you have it here. You have all of the list of all of the students in their names. Then you put, as a class teacher, you're commenting on the student behavior. Okay, so you want to address it. Let's say for Adijari Mutiu, pay more attention in class. And let's say for done with that, for additional, what do you want to tell additional? Well behave students, and on like that, just in that manner. Um, you can have you have to do for all of them, right? You have to do for all of them, and so on. And once you're done, don't forget to save. Click on save as if you are saving, and save it with what you'll be able mm, to deal with. Make sure that it is something that you can easily reckon with. And inside the file, ensure that you know the file as well. What do I mean by file? That is the place where you're saving it. This is what I'm saying. So you can decide to save here. You can decide to choose other places where you want to save that. Okay, do we get that? All right, so moving on. Let's clean this. Once you have saved that, come back to where you have it, then choose the file here, then whatever you've saved it as, click on open it and save. But I cannot do that here because we are dealing with a live school. All right, so we don't want to tamper with anything as regards the school details. So once you're done with that, you do the same for the principal comments. Ensure that you put all of the comments necessary. Click on principal, then download the template. It's quite a little bit different. All right, so once we open the principal comment, and this is what we see. Okay, you see principal here and not teacher. The previous one, this is the previous one. You see teacher here, but this is the one we just done, and you see principal here. So it's quite different. So the principal comment on the student performance and how. So you can have um, good results, good results. Keep it up. Or you can have um, average performance. average performance, put in more effort next time. So the same way that you're putting it here is the same way that it's going to save up and it's going to be displaying on each and every student's result. So you click on menu, click on your save as so that you can have it saved. Okay, just the same way that you've been doing it, right? And so once you're done with all of the students, you input their details, choose the file, then upload, click on upload here. And with that, you're done with uh, student comment and all. So the next thing you want to do is uploading of result signature. Result signature your is your principal signature. So how do you do that? Still on the same thing. This is result signature. Still on result configuration. So we can see it well. So once you click on result configuration, result signature, you would see something like this. Okay, this is just a demo anyway. And let me leave out. So you can choose from wherever. It's simple on how to go about that. How do you go about it? Ensure that you tell your principal or let your principal sign on a plain sheet of paper, white sheet of paper. Okay. So and once you have that, send it to your system, transfer it to your system on your phone, whichever gadget or device that you're making use of. Then choose from where you might have it. Let me clean this annotation so that it does not confuse us. Okay, so drop two and yeah, we have one here. This is the signature that we have here. So this is our own signature. Click on it, then the teacher and the principal's name. Then also you can set the resumption date right here as well. This is where you set the resumption date. So input the time or the date when the student is resuming, either for the next term or for the next section, right? So you just input um say 23, then 2022 and all of that. Then click on update. Okay, this is just a transition into, so you see this as successful, and that is what is going to be showing on the student results, all of the student results. If they are 5,000, this is what is going to be showing on their results. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is penalize students, that is if any, and if they are not, go ahead to the last step, which is lock and release results. Now I will explain the reason for this lock and release. Lock and release is simply simple. Once a result is locked, by default a result is locked, and in a locked state, that means you can edit anything you want to edit on that result. Maybe you've made an error, you've made some omissions, you can easily edit the student result while it is locked. Okay, so from here, we see them here. These are all of the students in GSS 1A. So if you want to release all the results, just click on release once. If you want to lock it, click on locked. So I've locked all the results. That means this result cannot be printed by the student or even by the teachers themselves, okay, or by the school admin if it is locked. Okay, now what does lock means? That means I want to edit any result. I want to edit it. What do I mean by editing? Click on list results, GSS1, uh, then select the section, then the time, display the result. Then you'll be able to edit this. But I'm not going to be editing any of this because this is a live result. So we wouldn't tamper with it. But that is what locking helps you to do. You'll be able to edit it. But once, let's go and release the result that we locked. So you come back here to the section, then the time, show the results, then release all results. So you see it here, all results successfully released. And if you want to be releasing them one by one, you want to lock some,